Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This is an editing and gaming beast for 3,52,199. Jitendra Singh from Gurgaon has placed an order on our website techmartunbox.com in one shot. Yes, 3,52,199 rupees in one shot, and this is the biggest order received in one shot. So thank you Jitendra for trusting us in our website. Let's begin the video. Let me take you through all the component detail and their pricing. All the product link would be in the description box below. To check the latest price, go ahead and check the link in the description. The prices on the video would be today's price. So let's start with the component details. For the cabinet, we have got Cooler Master H500M. This is one of my favorite cabinet and available for 18,500 rupees. And for the CPU, we have got Intel Core i9-9900K, which has got 8 core and 16 thread, available for 42,000 rupees. For the motherboard, we have selected MSI MEC Z390A. So it's a great motherboard for hardcore gaming and extreme overclocking. It does support 3M.2, has RGB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and available for just 27,300 rupees. For the graphic card, we have got the best graphic card available in the market, MSI RTX 2080 Ti Gaming X Trio, available for 1,12,000 rupees. And for the SSD, we're gonna install Samsung 970 EVO Plus. This is NVMe M.2 500GB each, available for 11,100 each. For more storage, we have got Samsung 860 QVO 1TB. This is available for 10,300. We will not be using any mechanical drive in this PC. For power supply, we have selected Cooler Master Vanguard series. This is V1000 and this is gold fully modular, available for 9,600 rupees. For the RAM, we have selected the most premium RAM from G-Skill Trident Z Royale 3200 MHz 8x4 32 gigs of memory, available for 28,000 rupees. And for the CPU cooler, we have selected Cooler Master Master Liquid ML360R RGB. This is available for 11,000 rupees. For the keyboard, we have got Razer Black Widow Chroma V2 orange switches. This is available for 12,800 rupees. And for the mouse, I've got Razer Mamba Elite. This is available for 7,700. One of my favorite mouse and would be great combination with Black Widow Chroma V2 orange switches. Along with a great combination of keyboard mouse from Razer, we do have Razer Firefly mouse mat, available for 3,500 rupees. For monitor, we have selected ASUS ROG Strix XG248Q. This is 24-inch gaming monitor with G-Sync 1 millisecond response time, 240Hz for 37,500 rupees. For power backup, we have got APC 1 kVA UPS, available for 6,500 rupees. And for operating system, we'll be using Windows 10 Professional Retail K, available on techmartunbox.com just for 2,499 rupees.
I was walking down the street and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, 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 I will be the one for you. was walking down the street, and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet. And I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you. I was walking down the street, and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet. And I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts.
Alright, so that's about the video, and I am done with the PC build. This is looking absolutely fabulous. The Trident Z Royale RAM is looking fabulous, and yes, the monitor is doing justice with this build. Of course, the keyboard and mouse is definitely one of the best I like, and it's really complementing the PC. And the total build is for 3,52,199 rupees. So yeah, so let's end the video here. If in case you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. I would love to answer them. You can also visit our website techmartunbox.com and click on contact us page, send us your query. So that's about the video. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram for our latest update about our channel. So let's end it here. See you in the next video.